Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Zelle and send it to another wallet. Let's begin. Okay, so it says step 1. Choose a platform that accepts Zelle. Platforms like Paxful and Local Bitcoins connect buyers and sellers of Bitcoin and often allow Zelle as a payment method. Confirm that your platform of choice supports Zelle and is available in your region. So what you have to do is make sure that this platform is supported within your country, because if it is not, then you'll not be able to use it correctly. Then step 2, create an account on the platform. So you are either going to sign up, or if you already have an account, so you're going to log in, register for an account of your chosen platform, and complete any necessary verification steps, which may include identification, verification, so ID, selfie, and etc. So they might ask you for your ID or your passport to ensure that you are a real person. And then number 2, set up security, enable two-factor authentication for added account security. You don't have to do so, but it is highly recommended. Then step 3, search for Bitcoin sellers who accept Zelle. Specify Zelle as payment method. Use the platform search or filter feature to find sellers who accept Zelle. Then number 2, choose a seller. Look for a reputable seller with good ratings and transaction history. Check the seller's terms, price, and limits. Check exchange rates and fees. Make sure you're comfortable with the exchange rates and any fees. Then scroll down again. Step 4, start a trade. Enter trade amounts, enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Then number 2, initiate trade. Click to start the trade, which opens a chat or communication window with the seller. So make sure that you have enough funds to buy the Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Then number 3, review payment instructions. Carefully follow the seller's instructions for sending payments through Zelle. Then step 5, send payments via Zelle. Open your Zelle app, log into your bank app or the Zelle app. Then number 2, send payments. Enter the seller's information, usually email or phone number, and double check the amount and send the payment. Keep the transaction details for your records. Then number 3, you are going to confirm the payment. So now we're going to move on to step 6, wait for the seller to release Bitcoin. Once the seller confirms receipt of the Zelle payments, they'll release the Bitcoin into your platform wallet. This can take a few minutes or it could take a few hours. So if we scroll down again, step 7, transfer Bitcoin to another wallet. Go to your platform wallet, navigate to your Bitcoin wallet on the platform. Then number 2, select withdraw or send. Choose the option to send Bitcoin to another wallet. Then number 3, enter destination wallet address. Then number 4, choose transaction fee, if applicable. Some platforms allow you to adjust the transaction speed by setting a higher fee. So basically, if you want things to move faster, then what you can do is you can pay a higher fee for the transaction speed to increase. And then number 5, confirm and send. Then step 8, verify transaction completion. Check the status of your transaction by viewing it on a blockchain explorer such as blockchain.com using the transaction ID, and then confirm with the recipients once they receive it. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.